Okay, today I'm making cheesy chicken balls. This batch I made up serves 4 hungry people, and these are the ingredients right here. And there they are again. Okay, so to start off with, let's set the oven ready to gas mark 7. Right, let's get the chicken mince, put that in a nice big bowl. We're going to lightly whisk up the 4 egg whites. Pour that into the bowl with the chicken mince. I'm going to grate the protein cheese into the bowl as well. There we go. Now, diced onions. I'm lazy, so I bought the pre-chopped ones. Saves me doing it myself, so I'm just pouring that in as well. Now we've got the soft garlic cheese. This is the low-fat version, of course. So I'm going to just put that in as well. And now, one of my favourites, it's shawarma mix. It's just different herbs and spices. It's sugar-free, but it does have added salt, which I'm not too concerned about. So I'm mixing that in. I'm just using my hands, nice and messy, mixing that all in together. I'm putting some foil over some baking trays there, and then I'm using my low-calorie cooking spray. I'm just going to lightly grease the foil. I don't want the balls sticking to the tray. Now I'm just shaping them into little balls, or well, fairly big balls, and just putting them all on the trays. You could actually make burgers if you wanted to, or well, whatever shape you wanted, but I like chicken balls. So there we go. That's both trays covered with the chicken balls, and now I'm putting that in the oven, which is now nice and warm and ready to go. Okay, I've got my timer here, setting that for 20 minutes. There's 20 minutes to kill. Right, I've done my 20 minutes of squats and burpees and push-ups. And let's take out the chicken balls out of the oven. You might want to just pierce 1 or 2 with a fork, just to make sure they're cooked all the way through. So they might need a little bit more time, but about 20 minutes should do the job. Now, what are you going to serve it with? I've got my ready mixed vegetables. Again, I buy the pre-chopped pre-mixed bag. Let's put that in the microwave, nice and easy. That's 10 minutes. That's another 10 minutes of squats and burpees I can do. And there we go. That's 1 plate ready. I've just got veggies and I've got chicken balls. So that is low carb, low fat. Right, that is 2 tablespoons of the shawarma mix I used, 65 grams of the grated cheese, about 60 grams of the garlic low fat soft cheese, and I used about roughly 200 grams of the chopped onions. And there's a calorie content there. I've broken it down per serving as well at the bottom there. And that's it. So for more ideas, more recipes, visit my blog.